Ko aukati te rori matua ki Ōnuku.
Because this all happened, I think, between 9 p.m. and 11:30, so we must have got there about 10:30 or something. Yeah, the roads were crazy. It was just, water was pouring down the mountains. We were just like, this isn't safe.
Ko marama poharama king tērā, he menetia o te marae, I wehe atu I te wenerei.
We had noticed the rain being a bit heavy, and it was coming into to the back of our marae. Water had been bubbling up and rising up in the toilets, and that made us a bit, oh no, something's wrong here. And then minutes after that, I think it was first our wharekai, all the doors, the water just started leaking through all the doors.
Everyone is safe, that's the first thing I would say. We have had a lot of rain over there. The marae itself doesn't look that great, but everyone is safe.
Koinei tētahi o ngā rori matua, kia tai atu ki te marae o Ōnuku. Nā kua aukati I nai nei, mai te taone nui o Ōtautahi, tainua ki konei ki wairewa, whakawhiti atu ki Akaroa, arā koe rā te wāhi e noho ana te marae o Ōnuku. No te pō wenerei, I wehe atu te 27 o ngā tāngata atu I te marae, nā runga I te pūpuke haere o te wai, ki roto I te wharekai o Amiria Puhirere. Ko tā Rākaihautū no Ōnuku runanga, kare rātou te tino mōhio āhia rātou hoki haumaru ai ki te marae.
We have had a couple of trees come down on the road to Ōnuku. Jim Shilton, my brother-in-law, has been amazing with his digger and his chainsaw and has cleared the road with the help of some of the locals and their trucks. So we're all looking pretty good at the moment. Our office has been amazing. They've been in touch with our whānau. We did have one of our whānau cut off, so she's had food delivered by foot or by hand from Akaroa town, and so she's safe and well.
Hoki mai ki te taone nei, ko kitea nei I te huhua o ngā wāhi, ngā rori me ngā whira, ko waipuketia e te wai. Ko tā te koro matua, a Phil Major, ko whakatō he rautaki, hei whakapai ake I tēnei mōrearea.
So lucky that we've spent hundreds of millions of dollars out in Horseville building massive retention ponds for holding back water. We've held back over 1 million cubic metres.
Ko te mahima te karauna I nai nei, ko te whakamātau me te whakapaipai.
By far a lot more heavy amount of rain over that side of town and Bankswell and Selwyn. We're hiring a helicopter today, the council is, and they're going over to have a look at the peninsula and the slips. The team are out there at the moment, and rest assured as soon as the water has receded enough, they will be reopened.
Tai hoa ke ka kite I ngā āhuatanga ka puta mai I tēnei mōreareatanga. Shakayla Andrews-Alapaki, Tahu News.
Ko te reo